Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are well by the grace of the Almighty Allah. I'm also fine. Welcome back to our Bangladesh and Global Studies class. As usual, before going to our class, I'm going to ask you a puzzle. So, get ready for it? Look carefully at the picture on the screen, okay?
Now tell me, in what parking spot number is the car parked? Guess, what is the answer? Think about the answer. Also, you will find the answer later after today's lesson. Can you remember what we discussed from our previous class? It was Chapter 10, Democratic Attitude, Topic 1 at school. Hope you all practiced very well and concerned about practicing democratic attitude at your school, right? From that topic, we discussed about democracy, attitude, democratic value, democratic attitude, practicing democracy at school, ways to practice democracy in school, activities of a class captain, benefits of practicing democracy. Now, time for starting our today's class, Chapter 10, Democratic Attitude, Topic 2, at home and at working place. From this topic, we will learn about at home, workplace, citizen, patriotism, characteristics of a patriot, practicing democracy in the family, advantages of practicing democracy in the family, ways of practicing democracy at your home. This is our today's topic as seen on your textbook, and you have to read this first. Our first point is at home, means in one's own house, like your house, my house, etc. Do you know what is the meaning of workplace? A workplace is a location where someone works for his or her employer, a place of employment. Example, such a place can range from a home office to a large office building or factory. Do you know who is a citizen? Those who live in a state permanently, perform all the duties and responsibilities, and enjoy the rights are citizens of that state. Example, citizenship is someone being born in Bangladesh and having access to all the same freedoms and rights as those already living in Bangladesh. Citizens perform their duties and responsibilities to keep the peace and discipline of state, like obey state's rules, pay taxes regularly, never destroy state's property, etc. Let us learn about patriotism. To love one's own country is called patriotism. Patriotism is necessary for liberty, sovereignty, and overall development of a country. These are the characteristics of a patriot. patriot gives top priority to the interest of the country, abides by the rules of the country, plays an important role in preserving national wealth, and so many things. Practicing democracy in the family. A family is a group consisting of two parents and their children living together as a unit. Democracy brings peace and unity in the family. In engaging children in group decision making helps them learn skills essential for a democracy like cooperation, compromise, negotiation, and consensus building. Advantages of practicing democracy in the family, like peace and amity in the family will prevail. We will learn to respect and consider others' opinion. We can take the right decision. We will learn to help each other, etc. Ways of practicing democracy at your home. We will take a decision where to go and how to go by discussing with parents, siblings, and other family members. We will take decision on what to buy and who will buy by discussing with family members, etc. From today's class, please try to remember all the things that we learned. Please see the learning flowchart for a better understanding of your learning process for this chapter until now. Can you remember, before starting our today's class, I asked you a puzzle? The answer is 87. Do you know how the answer is 87? Because the picture is upside down. If you find it difficult to follow the video, you can always pause and watch the screen to make it more understandable. Remember what we have learned today, that you have to orally share the lesson with your teacher. That is all for today's lesson. You have to study well from the given lecture sheet and worksheet number 2. Have a good day. Take care and keep learning. Assalamu alaikum.